Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see one example of how to find the previous day high or previous day low based on a formula. Because what happens is there is no specific keyword that is available to find this, but there is a very simple formula that we can use in order to find the previous day high or previous day low. All right. So let's just see how to do that. So I'll go to set number one, say entry condition. There is one basic condition that I've already put, that is and time should be greater than 9:30. And in this next formula, we will see a condition where we will check if the LTP of say Nifty Bank spot index is greater than the previous day high of Nifty Bank spot index. All right. So let's just see how to do that. So for example, if I just put the formula LTP, instrument name, under instrument name we will select Nifty Bank spot index, so that will be NFO Nifty Bank. All right, so this should be greater than previous day high, should be greater than position. In this case we will use the position POSI, position close, high, position high, since we are checking the previous day high, and it should be -1. All right, -1 is basically the previous day candle, previous candle, but we will select the time frame as day. So over here, as you can see, so this is basically just select the instrument name NFO Nifty Bank. All right, so this is on a 1-day candle. So this is how we basically identify the previous day high. So basically LTP of instrument name NFO Nifty Bank is greater than position high of the NFO Nifty Bank instrument name based on a day candle. So if you click on symbol, here you have the option to select say 5-minute or 1 day or a month, etc. Right? So here if you want the LTP to be higher than the previous 5-minute candle, then you can select 5-minute like this. If you want the high of the previous month or the previous week to be broken, then you can select week candle like this. So this will be basically LTP greater than the last week high, entire week high. All right, and in this case if you want just a day, previous day, then in that case you can select previous day high like this. All right, so this is for the previous day high. Similarly, we will create one more condition for previous day low. All right, and I will put this in OR condition. And if suppose LTP is less than position instrument name, no, sorry, this is wrong, position, for some reason it's not allowing me properly. Yeah, okay, so position low -1. So over here also I will just select the instrument name NFO Nifty Bank. All right, so this is basically when the condition, this is an OR condition, so it will check either of these three conditions. So when LTP is less than, over here LTP of Nifty Bank spot index is less than the low of the Nifty Bank previous day candle. All right, so this is how we select whenever the price is above high or previous above high of the previous day or below previous day low. So that is how we can select this particular parameter. Also you can change this to either 5-minute or maybe a weekly candle or monthly candle as per the time frame that is provided in this candle type. So you can select the time frame that is provided over here, and you can accordingly create your own conditions. All right, so that's how simple it is. I hope this was useful. Thank you.